you do have wooden floats. That's good. I've got heaps of room. Lovely. Right, I'm happy with that. Once I've screeded the shower, I'll then give those a wash. Aluminium doesn't like cement too much. I'll actually give that a, that's why there's, I've still got plastic on it. Just the top is actually seen, so I just concentrate on that. Okay, that's cool. Right, let's get back into what I was doing, everyone. That's done now. I'm tickled pink with that. I've got all my heights. That are bang on with a laser level. I've got brilliant fall down there, you can see it. A nice rise there, that's beautiful. I always like my mud a little bit softer because it's, I reckon it's easy to drag back and all sorts. I don't like steel troweling. I believe in equal to a broom finish, which your wooden float gives. It's not super smooth. It's better for the glue to stick to a rougher surface, like a broom finish, than a glass finish. And when you steel trowel off, you're making a smooth finish, and you know, it looks pretty, but I don't reckon it's all that good. Because it's too smooth. And I've seen it done a little bit on YouTube, and that's all just to make it look pretty to the DIY that doesn't really know if it's good or bad. A super smooth finish is bad, believe me. Okay, DIYs, a tip to remember. Hang on. Right, when you've screeded it off, always just lay your level over and just check. And drag it back. That's how you get your flatness. A wooden float, that could be up and down slightly, and a wooden float could go over it, and a steel trowel, and it looks all pretty, and you put a straight edge on it and it's up the shit, you know. But this way, by checking it like that, you know it's bang on. I've got beautiful flatness, and it's not disguised with a steel trowel. Then give it a little bit of a touch. And you're home and hose. It's got a good key for the waterproof now to stick to. It's not super smooth. Okay, well, I'll be starting out on here now. I've got all my pads. The rest is a no-brainer. Easy peasy. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned. I'll get a little bit of this down and then I'll come back to you. Okay.